Don't think like that. Whatever Eja is doing is because he's hurt. Don't let it bother you. See, you did the right thing by rejecting his proposal. Okay?
But he has threatened to make my life miserable. He has already started.
See, forget this threat. What you have to do is that you always have to be 2 steps ahead of him. Find somebody who believes in you. Work together with the person to unmax that man to grandma. That is what you should be thinking about. Okay? Come on. Smile for me. Come on. Smile. Aku. Smile. Smile.
I want to properly introduce a new member to the family. This is Angela, Cindy's best friend. She's going to be staying with us for a few weeks until her mother returns from her trip. I want you all to treat her just the way you treat Cindy. Very well.
We will, Grandma.
And before that, I want the two of you to properly apologize to Ejanto and Nakwale for disrespecting them.
But Grandma,
Now, in front of everyone here. Go on.
we are sorry.
Say it properly.
I, Cindy Daku, I am sorry for disrespecting Ija and Na.
Yes, Angela. Go on.
I, Angela Safo, I'm sorry for causing commotion that led to injury.
Nakwale, what do you have to say?
They are forgiven.
Eja, what do you have to say?
I have already forgiven them. But Grandma, they shouldn't repeat it.
Did they not?
Thank you.
Thank you all. Back to your post.
And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way.
Go for your books. The two of you.
Okay, Grandma.
Wahala, day, what you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my
Cindy.
grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment. Oh, I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Grandpa, please, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Grandpa.
Grandpa, please, our lunch boxes.
Grandma asked us to come for them.
I haven't prepared anything for you today.
What do you mean by that? You know you're supposed to prepare our lunch for us to send to school.
I know, but I have nothing for you to take to school today. I woke up very late. Now leave me alone, both of you.
Hey. Okay. Wait till Grandma hears about your incompetence in this house. Angie, let's go.
Shall we go, my princesses? We're already late.
Grandma,
Yes, dear.
can you believe that Grandpa hasn't served us with anything to take to school?
What do you mean? He can never do that.
He did. He even told us to leave aside that he has nothing for us. Like,
That is strange. Eja has never done such a thing before. Why now?
Grandma, but I told you that.
But there comes Eja.
Good morning, Grandma.
Oh, good morning, Eja. Eja, I thought you told Cindy and Angela that you had not prepared anything for them.
Me, Eja. Grandma, I have never set eyes on these kids the whole morning.
Hey, Grandpa, you're a liar.
Hey, Cindy!
Sorry, but he saw us today and he even spoke to us. Am I lying, Angela?
It's true. He spoke to us and he told us that we should leave his sight.
Grandma, I've been in the kitchen all morning and no one has approached me for anything. I don't know why they are forging this.
Hey, Eja!
It's obvious both of you are the ones telling lies. And for what reason?
Grandma, please, believe us.
I'm trying hard, but it's not adding up. Why won't Eja admit that he had seen you both? It's obvious it's you two are the ones lying. I know you don't like Eja. I do.
Maybe so, but I don't know why Cindy doesn't like me.
Don't worry, Eja. Sorry about the misunderstanding. Please leave the things there.
In my grandma's apartment.
You can go back to your post.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala day.
Hey, now listen, both of you. What do you think you gain by lying? Telling lies about somebody and bearing false witness is a bad thing. Huh? And I know you both were not raised like that.
But Grandma...
That's the end of the conversation. Pick your things. The driver is waiting. Quickly.
Aku, please, Atukuba sent me to bring you this bread.
Oh, that's nice of him. But where is he?
Our master sent him.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. When he comes, tell him to call me.
Unless he uses my phone because he hasn't gone for his yet.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So see you.
Alright, bye.
Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala day.
You two are back from school so early.
Where is Eja?
How am I supposed to know? I don't know where he is.
I can see we were served stones for you to sit there and eat our food, right?
So what is it? Are you two girls going to beat me? Look, that is the least you little brats deserve.
I can't believe you sold your birthright for food.
Look, I've not sold anything. Do you even know my only birthright? Eh? The two of you should let me be in this house, okay?
Oh, really? But the war isn't over yet.
We came with a simple message. We like the signal you sent with the whole stone light stand.
Just be careful. We have come to hit you both where it itches the most.
Ah! Disrespectful children. Nonsense. You two words, what? Hey, give me a boom of cry, though it's where it itches the most. Again.
Oh, I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment.
Oh my God. Me too.
But Grandpa,
Yes.
what if they tell Grandma about it?
Oh, no. They can't tell Grandma because Grandma would never believe them.
A job well done. I overheard everything. How can you treat kids young enough to be your grandchildren like this just because they refuse to hate me?
Hey, you overheard or you heard everything, so what? You see, there, you found you true.
Hey, Eja!
And then there, you born some more.
Oh, but more than Look, you have to learn to mind your business in this household.
That's all.
What if you heard everything? Who are you going to tell?
Grandma!
We both know whose word she's going to believe. Not yours.
Yes. Maybe for now you are right. Not everything you are doing is right at all. Just remember, every day for the thief. But one day, just one day for the master.
Every day for the thief. One day. Yes.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
This is going to be so hard. Your chef is weird, especially the kind of food he prepares. He's the main reason we are grounded.
I know, right? This hell. He's worse than the chef in my mother's house. I wish I was in my mother's house already.
It's okay, take it easy, eh? Oh, can't see I'm already suffering. What are you go? Oh. Hey! Easy, I beg.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business.
Hey, please. It's okay. Stop. No talk with me. You want to kill me? If you ever shackle.
Day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment. Oh, I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Why will you take someone's thing without their permission? Why?
What kind of miracle happened all of a sudden that we are standing straight again? What happened to the waist pain?
Look, Aku, I've told you to mind your business in this house. Don't try me, don't try me.
Oh. First of all, you are the thief who steals kitchen items. And secondly, you are faking a waist pain. Why are you doing all this now?
I'm warning you for a second time, okay? You dare not call me a thief, eh? Mind your business, stay in your lane, eh? Why would you even call me that? Look, I only take what belongs to my auntie. Who will call that stealing, eh?
But now why are you doing this? Is it because you want grandma to be very hard on the kids?
Aku, please, stay in your lane, eh? Shut your mouth and stay in your lane.
Oh, you are working hand in hand with grandpa, aren't you? Come on now. I told you that man is not good.
Look, I'm telling you again to shut your mouth, though. I'm not working hand in hand with anybody. I'm not working hand in hand with anybody, eh? Leave my room and let me get dressed, okay? And you had better not tell grandma about what you just saw. You better keep your bloody mouth shut. Femodi, keep your mouth shut. Now get out. I said get out and let me dress. Why? I can't dress again. Get out. Jeko. Get out.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere,
Don't feel making them money. This girl has caught me.
Oh, every day,
Yeah,
day,
now I'm
day,
willing to say you are so
wahala,
stupid.
day, day, no way, we no go pay.
Okay, Janu, about Jam Kotopoto.
Every
You told
day,
me.
day, wahala, day, what you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment. Oh, I wanna take you to my
Good afternoon, Eja.
my grandma's apartment.
Good afternoon, madam. Yeah.
I just wanted to find out if there are some things we need to replenish.
Oh, madam. You shouldn't have bothered coming down yourself. I would have been there.
Don't worry. I came on a different purpose.
Okay. Go on.
Just wondering if you can prepare some special continental dish for Cindy and Angela. Something maybe like jollof rice or something special. I don't want them, especially Cindy, to think that I'm being too hard on them with food.
You'll take same?
No. Some vegetables will be fine for me. Don't forget what the doctor said. No rice for grandma.
Yes, madam.
And don't forget to add some vegetables to their food as well, so they can eat something balanced.
I'll do just that. Just that.
Thank you, Eja.
Thank you too, ma'am.
I'll be in my room.
Okay, ma'am.
And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
Jollof. Jollof. Any chief chef, Ejanto. Me prepare jollof man them rascally girls no medi. Your boy mo over happen next.
In my grandma's apartment,
Obey nice to watch, man.
with different characters.
Jollof, obeti. Obeti jollof, papa. Yes. Okay.
Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon, Auntie Aku.
I'm coming for your laundry.
Auntie Aku, can we come to you for you to teach us our homework?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Thank you.
In my grandma's apartment, we live
Is there
with
something you
different
need?
characters.
Yes.
And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing
found out something today.
confusions.
I think you're right about Ija. He's working hand in hand with a new maid to cause trouble.
I told you. I see through Eja anytime I see him. I knew he was up to no good.
Right now, he hates Cindy because she didn't listen to him when he was painting you black. Cindy told me all about it.
Don't worry. I have a master plan. We'll meet at 5.
Okay, Cindy.
And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
Nah. Why are you here? What if someone notices that you are faking the pain?
See, Grandpa, I've already been caught unawares by that stupid Aku. She won't stop poking her nose in other people's businesses.
What do you mean? You mean I could saw you like this?
Yes. She saw the eating foodstuffs that will prove that I'm the thief. But look, immediately I saw her with those things, I went straight to take it away from her, forgetting completely that I'm supposed to fake the waist pain. Well, Mommy, she has caught me.
Nah. I never knew you were this dumb. It's like to fool. To the boja be uncle trim. Ah! Oh.
Come back. Is it a war? Minwagari or Nakae? Don't you make mistakes? Look, I'm warning you to know the way you speak to me in this household. I can blow your whistle at any time. My myself out to go.
Nah, are you threatening me?
No, Majima.
I want you to know that I have bigger whistles to blow about you. So we better work together. Or,
When have you? Look, you can do whatever you want in this house. You think if it's not because of food, I'll be helping you sabotage that stupid Cindy and Aku? Look, come on. It's because of food that I'm having all these patients. Yo.
So, what if Aku decides to tell Grandma that you are the thief?
No, go on. Don't worry. I've already warned her not to. Go, Aku. Call lay. No bulu bebo. Look at what you know, but in case she does, I have a much bigger plan up here. You don't believe the girl.
That no fear is keke.
Grandpa, one carrot, give me one of the carrot.
In your carrot, Biara. Mufamona, Fabazin is ban.
Carrot, I only ask for carrot.
In your way.
Carrot can go join me. Oh.
Ko. Carrot. Beji, one could say, is Membiara busy. A drink cool day. Unuchim. Is it banning tea?
Auntie, please, what's the answer for this?
Wow, this is much easier than what our teacher taught us.
You're really intelligent.
Thanks, both of you.
How come you are just a maid with all this intelligence?
It's rather personal. I don't want to talk about it. What I would like us to talk about is our master plan.
Only if they had an idea what is coming.
If only they knew.
Don't worry, we got this under control. Team power.
Team power.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day, what you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's
Wow, Grandma, jello!
Yes, I asked Eja to prepare it special for you today.
That's so kind of you, Grandma.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
What is it? What is it?
Grandma, the food is weird.
What do you mean?
There's too much salt in it and it's disgusting.
Ejanto.
Yes, madam.
Ayanto, please, what did you put in the food to make it so salty?
Salty?
Yes.
I didn't even use salt, madam. Maybe it's the cubes. But, excuse me, have you tasted it yourself?
You know I don't eat rice.
I keep forgetting, I'm sorry.
But they're complaining that it's too salty.
Madam, don't you know Cindy and Angela? I know they are doing this so that you think I'm not good enough.
Is that true?
No, Grandma, it's false.
Nah, please come. Taste the food and tell us what you think.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way.
That's enough. What do you think?
Grandma, this food is so delicious.
What?
I told you,
Grandma, it's a trap!
And we don't mind our business.
So why are you two behaving like that? If you didn't want to eat, you would have just said so instead of creating all this fuss. Please, Eja, you can go back. And now you too.
Thank you, madam.
Grandma, one more thing. Can I take the salty food inside the kitchen?
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business.
I think the Ghanaian hasn't taught you two any lessons. You're going to be washing all the bowls in this house for the next 2 weeks. Oh, you don't want to eat, huh? All right, drink the water and go to bed, since you'll be going to school tomorrow.
This is going to be so hard.
I know, right? This total hell.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
Poor kids.
What is funny?
Oh, you are poor kids. Look. How wretched you are. No TV, no phone. For a week. But we have gone only 2 days. And look at your faces. You feel like dying.
Are you a Christian?
What kind of question is that? Oh, of course I'm a Christian, and a strong one as that. Look, don't tell me you have found a new love for the word of God since all gadgets are gone.
First of all, nothing is funny. And secondly, the Bible tells us not to lie.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we
Open
don't mind
to
our
Colossians
business,
3 verse 20.
snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day.
Colossians what?
Colossians 3 verse 20.
No way, we no go pay.
Colossians 3:20.
Yes.
Children, obey your parents in all things, for this is well-pleasing unto the Lord. You see what I've been telling you all the time. But you kids, you don't respect anyone at all.
Please, go on. Read the verse 21.
And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
Fathers, Provoke not your children to anger.
Stop there!
I believe you heard it yourself. So why are you provoking us?
Me provoking you?
Oh, okay. Now, open to Proverbs 12:22.
Proverbs 12:22. Lying lips are abomination to the Lord, but they that deal truly are his delight.
You heard that yourself, right?
Why do you lie so much if you claim to be a Christian?
I thought Christians are supposed to live according to the Bible. So why are you doing the contrary?
Will you be happy if we tell lies about you the same way you do?
Would you like to see your grandchildren lie as flawlessly as you do?
Tell us, or you are no longer a strong Christian.
Hey, you spoiled little brats. You think you can trap me with the Bible? Look, I have enough experience than you, so you cannot show me.
Oh, okay. But think about it. Liars will make it to heaven, because God hates liars.
Excuse us.
Okay, I can see you want me to leave your room, don't you?
Do we? Oh, okay. You can stay. We are leaving.
No. It is your room. I'm going anywhere. Take your Bible. I can't stand the two of you.
Next time you barge into children's room like that. It suits.
Grandpa, what is it? You don't look very happy. Where have you been?
Nah. I went for a little walk. And can you imagine those little brats? They have the nerve to dare my Christianity, to question my Christianity.
Questioned your Christianity. How?
I even forgot I was talking to the wrong person. Oh yes, Manan Chatasi. You don't understand because it is not food.
Look, let's just pretend I didn't hear that though.
Now I was saying that those kids are very annoying.
I agree.
And that I have a feeling they are planning something major with Aku. Yes, these days they are always together.
I think so too. But Grandpa, don't worry. Just prepare me some nice, sumptuous dish, and then I'll think about how to initiate Plan B.
America is fantastic. It's Vanessa and that woman.
Grandpa, I can hear you. I can hear you.
All right. Okay.
Timoja. It's a deal. You're winning team. We're best times.
I can see you are busy doing two things. Clean the main bathroom when you are done. It's your turn today, since you are stronger now. Easy! I'm only reminding you.
Reminding me of what? Don't you think I know my responsibilities in this house? Please, Aku, please. Know your boundaries.
Whatever.
You've grown wings in this house, haven't you? Oh, let me guess. Is it because of those little brats that are backing you? Well, let me remind you. I have rights in this house. I can get you fired. And you know why? Because grandma is my auntie. Whilst you, Opana, you are just a maid. A maid, a common maid.
Rights or whatever you call it is none of my business. Calm down before you burst out due to anger issue.
I'll slap.
Eja. Oh, you are busy.
Yes, grandma.
How is the pain?
It's better, even though I feel some sharp pains here and there.
It's normal. You'll be fine.
I hope so.
Aku.
Yes, grandma.
Cindy and Angela needs your help. With their homework.
Okay, grandma.
Where's Ejanto?
I don't know, grandma. But I don't think he's gone far. He'll be back soon.
All right.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
Reduce the eating a
And
bit.
we don't mind our business.
Oh, you machoko monoshi.
Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment.
Yeah,
My grandma's
where were you?
apartment.
Grandma asked of you and Aku earlier.
I just went out to teach an intruder a lesson, but I failed.
Intruder?
Is he not that good for nothing houseboy?
Oh.
He's trying to come in and take something that I'm fighting hard to get. I ought to have chopped off his head with the cutlass earlier.
Eja. Calm down, eh? Don't you think maybe you're exaggerating? I'm sure he and Aku are just friends.
Friends, you say? I doubt. There's something between the two of them, but no, I'm not going to sit down to see it happen. It won't happen. Yes, Aku is mine, and mine only.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay.
Angela. Cindy. Wake up. I wonder what is making them sleep so much. I doubt if they can go to school today.
Grandma, I'm sure they're very tired though.
Tired from doing what?
Tired from using phones and watching movies all night.
How is that possible? They are grounded.
Grandma, what we say? I think we should be asking Opanahe, Aku, why? She was with the kids throughout last night, making them use phones and watch unnecessary things. Me like me malelo.
Is that true or not?
No, Grandma. I did no such thing.
Grandma, she's lying, no. Grandma, she's lying. She's telling lies. This young lady here is the reason why these kids are finding it very, very difficult to wake up for school this morning. Because they slept late.
Grandma, I swear I have no idea of what he's talking about.
Were you with them the whole of last night? Yes or not?
Simple question.
Yes, Grandma. I was with them.
But you did it. You did it. I know you are fond of Cindy. But I didn't think you could go to that extent of making her break my rules.
Grandma, I was only reading them bedtime stories. And before I realized, they fell asleep even before 8.
Lies! Lies! You know I hate them.
Grandma, it's now who is telling lies. I'm sure she planned this with Eja.
Why will Eja want to plan such a thing? What will be its motive?
Grandma, because he wants
I think the lies are too much for just this morning, Grandma. It's obvious, okay, yeah, Lenefe, she's the one responsible.
I'm even sure you're the one poisoning Cindy's mind against Eja.
Where you are?
I won't be surprised if they take your side.
Oh, Grandma. Grandma, you my job, Grandma, God bless you. I don't even know what you've done to these people that they don't like us at all. I'm a small one. What if I'm not going, Grandma?
You know, just get out of my sight. I'll think of some punishments later. Get out, get out.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Oh, you are here. Look, I've told you, you can never take me as an enemy.
Why are you doing this to me?
You know what I want. If you want to have your peace, that's it.
Eja.
Yes, my wife.
I've told you several that I cannot marry you.
Then, prepare for the war ahead. Obey your butu.
What happened last night? You still feeling sleepy? I said, what happened last night?
Nothing, Grandma. We are just in the room with Auntie Aku last night after dinner. She was reading us a bedtime story. I started feeling helplessly sleepy. Yes, me too. I couldn't control it at all.
So, the two of you went to bed last night and fell deeply asleep in the middle of a conversation?
Yes, Granny.
And you want me to believe that? That's too shallow.
But that's the truth, Granny.
I already know what the truth is, my dear. I know Aku was making you to break my rules of not using gadgets. Eja told me everything.
Grandma, did you just say Eja?
I mean now.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusion.
I don't think I can continue being in this house. It's a whole lot of things. Eja is one problem. And now, it's like hell. I can't. I think I just have to give up. It's too much.
See, no, don't go there. Don't go there. See, you and I know why we are here as a house girl and a house boy. You get it? You don't have to. These things shouldn't come in mind. No. See, our aim here, if you have forgotten, our aim here is to gather some money and go back to school. Do you get it? Don't try this. No, don't let this thing come in mind right now. As I'm talking to you, don't let it come in mind. Why should you give up? See, the lion targets the prey out of a lot. No matter the obstacle. You get it? You shouldn't give up. Eh? No, let me tell you. It's not that the house that I'm getting things on a silver platter. No, don't give up. Forget them. Let them live their life. Eja is getting to his grave. You are a young girl, and there are a lot you have to achieve. You get it? So don't give up. Okay? I bought this for you.
Oh you what? So this boy is the reason why we still need the house items, right? Eja was right.
Madam, why do you have a problem?
Come bear any woman problem.
What is happening?
You see what I was telling you? Have you seen it? Right now with this, I don't know what she will go and tell Eja or Cindy. You see all these sufferings.
But this your house here. I said my house is not easy, but your house there, it's like the witches and the wizards camp here. It's not easy, but you know what? Don't worry, okay? Hold on tight. The storm will be over very soon, okay? Don't cry. Come. Don't cry. Okay.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Nah, why do you like eating like that? No wonder Grandma has been complaining of missing food stuff.
Hey, you have made up your mind that you make me have peace in this house. None of it. One man
Not exactly. I'm just looking out for my grandma.
Look, mind your business in this house. When you see me sitting somewhere, don't even get close. By the count of 3, I want you to leave my side so that I can eat in peace. God, mo be an appetite there, now leave. Hey, come here. I hope you are not going to tell Grandma or your auntie Aku that you saw me eating before lunch. If I hear anything like that, no need my favor, but so as you are going, keep your mouth shut. Don't go and say that you saw me eating because this one is not food, it is starter. Then a starter already made me like baba, but starter. So you dare not go and say anything about what you just saw. Oh no, you go boy.
In my grandma's apartment.
Now you can go.
Lord, have mercy.
Because you know if God have mercy. Your father will go look bad.
Confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. Oh, I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment.
Aku, ma, please, don't pay attention to what that girl Cindy has to say. That little girl is a liar. She even lies about things she hasn't seen.
Nah, what are you talking about? What will Cindy tell me?
You think I don't know? By all means, she'll tell you that she has seen me doing something or she has seen me taking something. But listen, all those things are lies. That girl is a liar. Me, I'm warning you.
Nah, is there something I should know?
Something like what? There is nothing I'm hiding from you. The only thing I'm trying to do here is trying to warn you about that little girl. Emali or what? She's a liar.
Nah, I've lived in this house with Cindy for far too long before you arrived. And she doesn't lie. Much more to talk about lying about somebody. So, what are you trying to tell me?
Wait, Aku. So you're trying to say that I'm the liar? Me that I'm trying to warn you about this little girl, you're trying to say I'm a liar, right? Me mona inasaniona. I hear you. Continue with your work.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. And we don't mind our business.
What is it?
Everywhere, causing confusion.
Why are the both of you looking at me like that? Focus on your homework and do.
Nah, I have one question for you.
What is it?
Why are you working with Eja against Auntie Aku? Don't tell me you trust that sly old man.
I don't know what he has told you to make you work with him. But I know he's going to switch up on you.
Look, the both of you should mind your businesses in this house, okay? Mind your business, oh. And if I were you, I would not make Eja an enemy. Never, lie.
If being his enemy means telling him the right thing to his face, sure.
You know what, As I came here, I came to sleep. So the both of you should move your skinny bodies out of my way. Let me do my job. Oh, yeah?
One more thing now.
Oh, what is it again? Cindy, you know,
don't you think you should loosen up a bit and stop eating that much? You like eating too much.
The both of you want to chime in this house, isn't it?
It was only a question.
You're not saying you're not nice the way you are. We are only advising you to stop eating.
We are afraid you can't even get back after a fall.
And we don't mind our business.
Both of you should mind your business in this house. Don't try me. Let me be, okay? Look, I'm not fat though. I'm thick. Oh, no, you are thick. Don't call me fat. Stay in your lane, the two of you. Stay in your lane. You know what? When you are done, sweep. Finish too.